How to create a page on Facebook. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create a page on Facebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in this video I will give you the step-by-step tutorial, so just listen carefully. So we will start now. So the first step you need to take is in order to click this Facebook right here. So just click that Facebook right there and it will open your Facebook account. Then after that, if you want to create a page, just click on this three lines right here, which will head you to the menu. And then from in there, you can see all shortcuts right here. So if you click on see more, let's click on see more. And then from in there, you can also see the pages. So just click on pages right there. And in here, you can see all the pages that you manage. So in order to create a page, just click on this create right here. So click on that. Then once you're in there, just click on get started right here. And then enter here your page name. So for example, my page, this is the name of my page for example. Then next step is to just click on this next. Then after that, you can put here the category of your page. You can put in here anything that you want, but for me it will be a personal assistant for example. Then after that, just click on create. And then in here you can add up to 3, but I only add 1 because that's what I want. And after that, you can add here a bio for your page. So for example, I will help you do anything. And then from in here you can add in contact details like your website. So for example, my website is tiarac.com. And from in here you can add in your email, which is tiarac@gmail.com. It depends on you. Then add in a phone number, and you can add in here also your location. After that, just click on next right here, and then in here you can click on next again, and then click on skip right here if you want. Then click on next again. You can also turn on these things right here. Then after that, click on done, and it will switch to your page. So you can also add in a profile picture to your page and also a cover photo by clicking this icon right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a page on Facebook. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.